Myntri rang ba kajela ukonat sangma hene ka sitarik unai lor ula Pyntip ba kajing Kylliang Myntri Jong arngut ki MLA hak Sorkar Mda kadekat kum kajing estu jumut apa deng kipara MLA ki ba Kylliang Shuki bat kadairu ka balapan bet nado balapan long yak Sorkar.
Regarding the other political parties, there was no discussion in the beginning at my level. The only two discussions that took place at my level in the beginning in 2018 when we formed the government was with HSPDP, between Mr. Samplin and Mr. Reddy, and between Mr. Dasaket and Mr. Cumming. In the beginning, when we had initially had a discussion when Mr. Cumming had come into the party, yes, we had a discussion that if there is a situation where we are in the position to form the government, he would definitely be in the cabinet. But when the numbers came out, we were not able to get sufficient numbers to be able to accommodate, as I mentioned in the beginning. Therefore, at that point in time, a lot of intense discussions took place, and that's when we reached to this agreement and this compromise and understanding.
Ukonat sangma ulaya turu bakan don kajing Kylliang ya ki portfolio jong ki Myntri hak Sorkar bat ula Pyntip ru bakilap ha ya sithi saulat kajela usatia malikpal.
The two of them will be simply replacing the other members who have exited, but there has been a reshuffle in the portfolios among the other cabinet members. The list of that will be out shortly. There will be a reshuffle in the portfolios. I've already mentioned that. The list has already gone to the governor and he has approved it. As I said, the notification should be coming out anytime.